Hello, Pam Plager here, a mobility specialist at Triple S Mobility in Pinellas Park, Florida. To help provide affordable rear entry wheelchair vans, Triple S Mobility purchases pre owned Dodge, Chrysler, and Toyota vans with good histories, low mileage, and in good mechanical condition. The van is then converted into a rear entry EZRIDE conversion. The EZRIDE conversion is crash tested and ADA compliant. Customers can visit and see the conversion process and discuss any personal struggles that a custom adjustment might solve. The manufacturing process begins with stripping down of inner panels, removing seats and carpet. The floor is cut away from the van in preparation to lower the flooring by 10 inches. A foundation of tubular steel is welded together to stabilize and strengthen the frame before the original frame is removed. Not only do we use tubular steel that is known for its strength, but 30% more steel is used in this conversion compared to most other conversions in the industry. A 3/4 inch custom made steel pan is secured and welded into the foundation, adding additional rigidity to the van's core. Two solid steel plates are welded onto the back frame of the van to support the bumper covering, which was cut away from the van and separated to allow for the rear entry construction. The bumper is then reattached and ready to be primed and painted. There are several upgrades that are added during the conversion. The first is an upgraded suspension system consisting of Monroe coil overshocks for a smoother ride. The axle is reinforced. A double rubberized coating is sprayed to protect from road and weather corrosion to prevent rusting. The standard dual chamber muffler is replaced with a three-chamber muffler. A 3/4 inch subflooring and sound deafening foam are layered underneath the high performance luxury deep piled carpeting. These upgrades help to improve the overall comfort of the van. An industrial strength, non porous, non slip rubber flooring is installed on the galley floor along with four wheelchair brackets to be utilized with the Q strength self tightening tie downs. A custom footrest is installed for occupants seated in the second row. A spring loaded counterbalance bifold aluminum ramp measuring 34 inches wide and 54 inches long provides easy access for loading and unloading. The Easy Ride conversion gives your van superior strength and durability, providing extra safety for you and your loved ones. We're here at Triple S Mobility to help educate you and help you with your wheelchair van questions. Want to convert your existing van? Call to discuss the possibilities.